Teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion. Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek, illustrated by Jody Culp. Better Endings, New Beginnings in Minneapolis, USA.
This is an all-new furry adventure.
Dedication. Much love to Mrs. C in the little school that could, in the little town that would, and of course, Furry, Snack, and McKellen. Without them, we have no story. Chapter 1. Let us start at the beginning. Hi, my name is... Oh no, there I go again, getting ahead of myself. You see, once upon a time, I didn't have one of those. A name, I mean, and a story. Do you have a name? Names come from people who love you, and for a long, very long time, I never had one. A name, I mean. My job was to sit still like a snow sculpture on the shelf and watch over the littles. Well, actually, some days I rode on a child's head. Sometimes I was held ever so gently or tumbled by accident on my bottom. In case you were wondering, or maybe you were confused, the littles are what we call the children. Back to my story. Penguins are known to run around and flap, flap, flap. Well, I mean waddle, 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 and flap. One day, oh, there I go again, getting ahead of myself. I must really start at the beginning. I will just start all over. Penguins can admit when they are having trouble and begin again anytime they wish. Sometimes it is the right time to end and begin, or sometimes they choose to start and stop. So this is really not precisely the beginning. It is the beginning of last year at the little school that could, in the little town that would. And of course, most of it takes place in the penguin kindergarten classroom. Most, but not all. Let me introduce myself. I am one of the many Stuffies that lives in the kindergarten class. There are whole bunches of us. I am a penguin. I live with little penguins and big penguins and medium penguins. I live with black and white penguins. I live with gray and white penguins. Some of the penguins are furry, and some are not. There is even a baby penguin with a mommy. It doesn't matter what size or shape or style penguin we are. We are all penguins. We are scattered all over the classroom. Some of us live in buckets and barrels, and some rest on high shelves, and some sleep in baskets. The teacher calls this the penguin kindergarten classroom. I wonder why. Maybe it is because penguins are smart like children. Or because the first grade classroom was already named owls. Or maybe, just perhaps maybe, teacher really loves penguins. I think I know the answer. Teacher loves stuffies and animals and science. Because
Penguin.
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 the classroom is filled with many more stuffies to take care of the littles and help them grow. None of us have names. We just are. We are called what we are unless a child names us. We say Stuffies. Stuffies have a job that really matters to the children by being teachers' helpers. They say everything we need to learn in life, we learn in kindergarten. We have a herd, not like listening ears, but a group of animals just saying. There is pony, there is giraffe, there is donkey, there is cow, there is upside down bat, there is right side up mouse, there is dog, and there are more dogs. There is puppy. There is poodle, who does not think she is a canine. A canine is a dog. There is rooster. There is goose. There is chick. There is duck. There is owl. Oh, stop, stop. Those are the birds. Breathe and think, penguin. Oh, let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There is, oops. I almost shared my super secret. And it's too early in this story to do that. Penguins are like that. We spill the beans. That means I tell the secrets before I should. Just saying. Back to all the stuffies. There is pig, there is lamb, there is lion, there is raccoon, there is hedgehog, there's fox, there is tiger, there is elephant, there is zebra, there is monkey, there is cat, there is bear, there is rabbit, there is dinosaur, and there is squirrel. I probably forgot somebody because there's so many of us. Like I said before, there are a zig trillion billion million penguins. Penguins exaggerate. In any case, teacher loves stuffies. And penguins are quite intelligent.